Good morning. We're going to show you how to use Snagit to create a virtual lesson. If you've already used a Snagit, it might be down here at the big S on their board, bottom. You can search for it. It'll be Snagit 19. If it does not pop up automatically, you could go down to your Microsoft System Center and then hit Software Center, and it'll be one of the softwares that you would be able to push out to yourselves. Worst comes to worst, put in an IT request. All right, so once you have Snagit, it is very easy to use. The basic features is all we're going to go over today. You're going to hit Capture. And what Capture does is it allows you to select what screen that you're sharing. It'll do initialize, and I'm actually going to stop that for a second. I'm going to put my website over here so that way I can see what it is in Capture. And I'm going to highlight what I would want my students to be able to see. Now, whatever I highlighted, that is the only part that's going to be recorded. And then under Snagit, there's going to be a bar that pops up. And unfortunately is on the other screen this time. And on that black bar, there is a button that's red. So you're going to click that. And when you click the red button, it goes 3, 2, 1, and now you are recording. So you hit the red button, and now you are recording. So I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to go into my Google Drive. And inside New, I'm going to use a drawing tool. So Google Drawing is not here, but I'm going to go over to More, go over to Google Drawings. And inside Google Drawings, I now have a Google Draw sheet. I'm going to share it. To save it before I share it, go into Advanced Settings, and you're going to have private access, so I want to change it to people in our unit. And then we want to go from Can View to Can Edit, otherwise they cannot write on it. If your students don't always have the DoDEA email account, we can also make it anybody with a link with no sign-in required, and then they can edit. So now we have a saved drawing tool, and we're going to hit Done. Now inside our saved drawing tool, we can use Scribble, and the Scribble allows you to, like if I wanted to teach people how to make a graph, and I could do very quick sketches, I can type words. I can import shapes just like I would. I could insert a photo that's already inside my drive, so my drive would come up. And I have lots of different photos, and I can choose a photo, and I would hit Insert. And now I can use this as a drawing tool, and I can scribble all over it and tell people to pay attention to that section and use that as a learning tool as well. The neat thing about it is because I am sharing it, so I have the shareable link I can do with my class, and other students can also write and share at the same time. This is one example of a virtual whiteboard and how to use screen capture. And I'm going to hit Stop, finish recording. Once I finish recording, we have this lovely Snagit editor that comes in. We are going to hit Finish. And when I hit Finish, it allows me to save it. As an MP4. And now that it's saved as an MP4, I can now have it available to share, to put into my I can upload it into a Google file, I can upload it into a website, And now I have my little video that we just made. All right.